Hello everyone, I am Navi. Today we are going to learn another interesting grammar lesson which is adjectives. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. So basically, an adjective would describe a noun or pronoun. It gives more information about a noun. Let me explain this with some examples. Have a look at this picture. How does the girl look like? The girl looks really beautiful. Doesn't she? Have a look at this phrase, beautiful girl. Here is the noun. Girl is the noun, beautiful is the adjective. Now, why do I say that beautiful is the adjective? Because we are describing about this girl. As I said earlier, girl is the noun, so beautiful is the adjective. We are describing, so we are speaking about this girl, we are giving more information about this girl, right? If I say that white top, white is the adjective. If I say short hair, short is the adjective. If I say an attractive bouquet, attractive is the adjective, right? This is how you should use adjective. You could find out what adjective is. Basically, it would give more information about a noun. Have a look at this another picture that we have. So, what type of here is the book. So, what type of book is this? Good book, or nice book, or ordinary book, or attractive book, fantasy book, right? But we are describing about this noun. We give an information about this noun. So, good book, good adjective. If I say that fantasy book, fantasy is the adjective. So, what is an adjective? It gives more information about the noun. Here, book is the noun, good is the adjective. We are giving an information about this noun, right? Let's learn this adjective with more example sentences that we have. Here is the first example sentence. It is a small box. So, box is the noun, small is the adjective. So, we are describing about this box. The adjective small is describing about the noun box. So, can you tell me which is the adjective? This one. The word small is the adjective here. The lazy boy was beaten. So, here is the noun. Boy is the noun. Lazy is the adjective. Right? The adjective lazy is describing the noun boy. So, lazy boy. If I say nice boy, nice would be the adjective. Here, if I say heavy box, heavy is the adjective. If I say beautiful box, beautiful is the adjective. So, we are giving some information about the noun. The clever teacher is on leave today. Can you tell me which is the noun? Here is the noun. So, which is the adjective? Clever is the adjective. Why? We are giving an information about the noun teacher. So, the adjective clever is describing. It gives an information about the noun teacher. Look at the next example sentence. I bought a red car. So, here is the noun. Red is the adjective. So, we give an information about the noun car. What type of car it is? Red car. Right? Red is the adjective. Car is the noun. She is an honest girl. So here is the noun. Girl is the noun here. Honest is the adjective here. Honest girl. The adjective honest is describing about the noun girl. Look at the next example sentence. Mary always reads fantasy books. What type of books that Mary would read always? Fantasy books. So here is the noun. Here is the adjective. Why? Because we are giving more information about the noun books. So Mary is also a noun, but we are not talking about Mary here. We are talking about books. We are describing books. fantasy books, right? It could be nice books or more books. If you say more books, more would be the adjective. The foolish crow tries to sing a song. So here is the noun, here is the adjective. The adjective foolish would describe about the noun crow, right? Look at the next example sentence. Alex has bought a German dog. So here is the noun, here is the adjective. Because the word German would describe what type of dog it is, right? German dog, German adjective. He is a rich man. So here is the noun, here is the adjective. Because the word rich is describing about the man. The manager scolded his idle servant. So here is the noun, here is the adjective. Because the word adjective is describing about the noun servant. So kind servant, idle servant, good servant, things like that. So basically an adjective would describe something about the noun, right? So I hope you would have understood what adjectives are clearly. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section below, right? Hope you understood this lesson clearly. Thank you.